Election polls. The IP is the only organization that collects and verifies election results in every city and country across the United States, including races for the U.S. President, the Senate, and House of Representatives, governor, as well as other statewide offices. Major news outlets rely on the polling data and results provided by the Associated Press before declaring a winner in major political races, particularly in the presidential election. In declaring the winners, the IP has historically relied on a robust network of local reporters with first-hand knowledge of assigned territories who also have long-standing relationships with country checks as well as other local officials. Moreover, the IP monitors and gathers data from country websites and electronic feeds provided by state. The research team further verifies the result by considering demographics, number of absentee ballots, and other political issues that may have an effect on the final result. The IP has introduced a new system called IP Vote-Case, which was developed together with an ORC at the University of Chicago, in order to further improve the reliability of its data and overcome biases of its legacy exit poll. Recognized for its integrity and accuracy, the organization has collected and published presidential election data since during the election, the IP was 100% accurate in scaling the president and congressional race in every state. After declaring Joe Biden the winner of the United States presidential election on November, that organization and its methodology came under close scrutiny as incumbent President Donald Trump refused to concede and claimed the election was rigged during the presidential election. When the IP declared Trump's victory against Hillary Clinton on Wednesday, November 9, Trump did not contest the result and delivered his victory speech at the same night. Sport polls. The IP conducts polls for numerous college sports in the United States. The IP college football ranking were created and began including the top 25 teams. Since the final poll of each session has been released after all bowl games have been played, the IB released in each all-time top 25. 22 different programs had finished in the number one spot of the poll since its inception. In the pre-bowl game determination era, the IB poll was often used as the distinction for a national champion in football. The IP college basketball poll has been used as a guide for which teams deserve national attention. The IP first began its poll of college basketball teams and has since constant over. The college basketball poll started with 20 teams and was reduced to 10 during college basketball season in return to 20 teams and expand to 25 beginning. The final pool for each session is released prior to the conclusion of the NCAA tournament. So all data include regular season games only. The IP released a list of the top 100 teams of all time. The ball count poll appearances are 1 point and number 1 rankings are 2 points to rank each team. Sport awards. Baseball. The IP version is Major League Baseball Manager of the Year award for a manager in each league. The award was given to one manager in all of MLB. The winner were chosen by a national panel of IP baseball writers and radiomen. The award was discontinued. Basketball. Every year, the IP releases the names of the winners of each IP College Basketball Player of the Year and IP College Basketball Coach of the Year awards. It also honors a group of All-American players. Football, IP NFL Coach of the Year, IP NFL Most Valuable Player, IP NFL Offensive Player of the Year, IP NFL Defensive Player of the Year, IP NFL Rookie of the Year, IP NFL Comeback Player of the Year. Associated Press Television News.